Hey, what's going on? It's King again with House of Knock, and we got some gifts today. So let's scroll over. VRSF. Those should be our downpipes that just came in. These are the ones that we just took off. So let's see what's in the box. Let's set this camera down. Should be our ceramic coated downpipes. Oh wow. There they are. So there we go. Looks to have the O2 sensors in the correct place this time. Welds look pretty good. Looks like they've been grounded. They've been smoothed out with some probably a heavy coat of that ceramic. So these look pretty good. A lot heavier than what I thought they would be. I think they're stainless steel instead of using any of the lighter metals. But I guess for the price you pay, that's pretty good. I think it'd probably been double the price if I had got these in titanium or something. But they do look much smaller, so hopefully these this top one looks like it'll be in the exact position based on the old ones. This one on the side looks like it will be sitting in a little bit because it's on the fat part. We'll see how we get those in. Yeah, this will be our next install. As you can see right here, everything's already prepped and ready to go. So we will get started. We do have to wrap these, so we're going to start by setting that up. So I wrapped there our high temp silicone spray, our locking ties. We're going to get them wrapped, get our O2 sensors on there, the defowlers for them, and get it set up. We're going to put the turbo blankets on and all, and I'll let you know how it goes. So I'll return the video once we're ready to start installing them. I'm going to wrap them first. I don't think I need to video that. That is pretty easy to wrap them. So I'm going to get them wrapped, get them sprayed, let that dry, and then we'll go ahead and get the turbo blankets on and get them prepped to go on. So see you guys in a minute. There we go, ceramic coated, wrapped, and silicone coated on top of that. I just got to cut those little tabs off sticking up from the metal ties, and these will be ready to install. Would install them tonight, but I forgot to go get the gaskets for them, so the turbo flange gasket. So I'll get that in the morning and get these put on tomorrow morning. and lube the bottom sides of the pipe, as you can see right there. Makes it much easier for them to slip in, much easier for you to get them out down the road. So yeah, so next step is to slide the heat shields in and get the heat shields on. So we'll be back. All right, so downpipes are sealed up top, sealed in on the bottom, as you can see right there. Next step, we're going to throw these turbo shields on, these turbo blankets, to stop some of the heat, and they're going to slide right over the hot side of the turbo. So I'll throw those on and we'll get right back to you. So got our heat shields back in place, got everything hooked back up. The only thing that we couldn't get is these couple bolts on this side because of the defouler. It kind of sticks out on this side, so it doesn't allow you to get those bolts back in on the front part of the heat shield. It's pretty tight, so I don't think it'll rattle. I got the back bolts in. I got all the lower heat shield bolts in. This side I can get all the bolts in on the heat shield, as the defouler's up here, and this open section on the other side is down here. So that's it. Everything's hooked back up. I'm gonna start putting the intake manifold back on and start getting it back together. The only thing left to do on the bottom is put the splash guard back in place, and then I can take her off the jack stands. But before I do that, I do want to run it a little bit, let it warm up, let it cool down while it's up in the air like this. That way I can let it do a heat cycle, then retighten all the bolts on the exhaust. So shouldn't be an issue, but we'll see what happens from here. So there we go, top all buttoned up. Everything just like it was new. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that heat shield on the bottom, get it off the stands, start it up, and see how everything sounds. I will do a cold start up and we'll record it.